So, we're some teachers and one of our students from the Philippine Art and Culture Center of Michigan, the Para Filipino Cultural Program. So here, there in the program, we teach indigenous music. So today we're going to be playing for you a few numbers from two of the tribes from the southern Philippines. The Maranao tribe and the Maguindanao tribe. So this ensemble is traditionally called a Kulintang ensemble, named after the instruments in the front. The instrument in the front called the Kulintang, which is a row of 8 tuned gongs. The ensemble also consists of the agongs, which provides a bass, and then the dabakan, which provides the rhythm. Okay. So the first piece we're going to play is called Kamatalabimban, which is a Maranao love song about a beautiful girl that catches everybody's attention. The Mindanao tribe, also in the southern Philippines. So, the Kulintang tradition is played during multiple occasions in the tribal culture, which includes social celebrations, sacred practices, and rituals, and also for exhibition. So young men like myself would showcase their skill in pieces like this, which are a little more modern, into. Yay! So we're going to take you back now to the Maranan tribe, and one of our students over here, Raiden, is going to play for you.